Hello everybody, it's Cranky here. So today while I was in my local all sorts store, it's called The Range, one of those places that sell glittery mirrors, bedding, paint. Then you go into one side and you've got hardware. And while in the hardware section, I noticed they'd got some padlocks. This is their own brand. It says My Home. Laminated padlock, 50mm. That's my Albert LaBelle moment. So it's on brand, 50mm, and it was only £2.79. I'm sure we're going to find out why. But their features are, it includes 2 keys, woohoo, laminated steel case, and a brass pin tumbler for smooth operation. So I have had a quick mess. I don't agree with the full smooth operation. It is a bit clunky and very grabby on the key. If we look in there, it does look to be, so you can see, in focus, yeah. It does look to be brass. I don't think that's plastic. That bit is, but obviously that bit is in the pins. That's the bitting. So a bit all over the place. And like I say, it does work as sort. Can't disassemble it, but it's very grabby. So let's have a look. $2.79. I'm not sure what that equates to in dollars, but I'll find that out as of today and put that at the bottom. So let's have a look. So that's a click, another click, another click. Not sure on what pin, sorry. I'm not very good at that, as you know. So that's another click. Can't feel any security pins, and I wouldn't have thought so for $2.99. $2.79, sorry. Don't want to overprice it. So that first one seems alright. That's that one. Don't know what's holding us up. Hold on. These cheap locks just, well, I'd been in a lot quicker by now. It's really embarrassing me. And you sat there laughing, Vapula. She's still not talking to me. Alright. Come on. And someone's got cameras showing. See, we all at that. Locks it all the work, and then as soon as you turn on the camera, let's give that one a tickle, and that's done it. There we are. Just one there I'd missed. Don't know what number it was. There we are. So what else can we do with this? Let's see. Is it spring? Oh, it is. So can we rake it? Oh, yep. A lot quicker than when I picked it. So we can rake it. Can we shim it? Let's have a look. Put probably all yelling at me, no we can't, if we can't, so apologies. Really do need some new shimmers. So put that. Oh, yep. There we are. So it's shimmerable as well. Can we tap it? Is it one of those that maybe we could tap? Do we have something to hit it with? Oh, got this master lock. I wonder if that'll help. Let's see, I've not really done this before. No, but I'm missing it. How do you do it? No. Oops. I don't know. I'm going to stop embarrassing myself, because I'm sure that was completely wrong how I was doing it. But there we are. So that's the own brand 279 lock. Also as well, the own brand 279 lock we got in, we could single pin pick it, we raked it and we shimmed it. So yeah, really poor lock. Anyway, Vapula's sat over there. Yes, I said I'd mention it. So excuse me. So this is my 4th challenge lock I've created. It's actually an old logo lock I had, which something happened and it jammed. Obviously something down to me picking it wrong, but anyway, so I fixed it. I've messed about with the pins inside and created some different ones, so there's quite a bit of nasty in there that I believe anyway, and it is called the Cranky, because of course it is. So yeah, it's one of my old logo locks. It just hide the key. It does actually work. There we are. You just have to push it back in to turn it to lock it. And there we are. So that will start to go out once I find somebody to send it to. Like I said, so this is my 4th one. My first one went to Chris Capune and they did a video on that. I'll try and link into that as well. I say I do all this and then I forget, but hopefully I do remember and link into that. My second one has gone off to Knox Locks, and I'm sure that hopefully should be there soon. It's taking its while crossing the pond, so I don't know whether they've just thrown the box in the water and hope it floats its way there, but anyway, it's taken a while. I've got a 3rd one here to send out at some point to whoever. That one is nasty up top. And like we said, number 4, the Cranky. The first one, sorry, I forgot to mention that Chris Capune's got. It's called Rough Init. So it's rough and then in and then it. So you've got to say it in a, Camp Yorkshire accent. So Rough Init. So that's my first one. I'm sure there's only me laughing, but there you are. And that's number 4. So there we are. So yeah, so a bit of messing on the lock and a bit of a ramble as well. So hope everyone's had a good weekend and gone out in the Black Friday sales. Thanksgiving as well to everybody. Happy holidays to everyone. Take care and I will see you all again soon. Bye bye.